Christie, hey, I know you might have something to say because I opened up one of my gifts, birthday gifts from you, but I really want to work with these, right? So I opened it and I'm making this video because I know I'm supposed to do a birthday live, right? And do my unboxing. But I just had to unbox this and I just want to work with these bees right here, right? So you might get another video when I finish and show you what I done with them. And I really do appreciate these. The pearls. Yeah. And yeah, I know y'all see other stuff up here. Up in here, I have a lot of other stuff. Shout out to the underground team. Shout out to everyone that supported my business. I really do appreciate it. And again, Christy, I'm sorry. I just had to open these because I really want to work with them. It's like 9 going on 10, and I'm still up working. So I'm about to start on these right here. Okay? Thank you.